Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit Architecture 2024 for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you model category in ribbon panel. So in model category you can see model text, model line and model group. So I will discuss each one. So if you want to create a 3D model text, you can select this model text line here. So you can look at the definition. It is stating that it adds 3D text to the building model. So if you want to add text to your 3D model, you can use 3D model text. So I'm going to use this model text here, and you can click here and you will see this one, edit text. So you can edit your text. So suppose I want to write here 3D model, and I'm going to click on to OK, but you can see this text is horizontal and my wall is in vertical plane and this is in horizontal plane. So first you are required to set your plane, or you can do it later also. So I'm going to tell you a way. So first I'm going to click anywhere on my 3D here, and you can see this 3D model is in horizontal. So how to edit this? So you can just select this text and you can go to select pick a new work plane, and I'm going to click onto this pick a new work plane, and it is asking onto the face or work plane. So if I'm going to select on work plane, it will be horizontal only, but if you select on the face, so it will place on the face of the wall. And you can see this is just opposite here, this is not correct. So you can just select this and go to rotate, and can uncheck this copy here, otherwise it will create a copy here. So I'm going to put an angle here 180, and I'm going to enter, and you can see now this 3D model text is in a correct position. So you can make further changes to your 3D model, but before that I will tell you another process of setting your work plane. So suppose I am going to pick a plane here, and then you can define your work plane. So first you can click onto this show your work plane here, and now I'm going to select on set a work plane, and now it is asking specify a new work plane. You can select on your levels, you can pick a plane here, and you can also pick a line and use the work plane it was checked in. So you can just select this pick a plane, click OK, and now you can select your work plane. So suppose I am going to select this vertical one. So you can see this work plane is visible, now it is in vertical plane, and you can start writing your 3D text in vertical work plane. So if you turn this off, your work plane will be not visible. So it's better if you want to check this, just turn this on, and now you can use this 3D model text, and you can start clicking, and you can start creating your model text after defining this work plane. So now after this you can make some more changes. You can select this 3D model, and you can go to properties, and you can edit this model text. This is 24-inch Arial. You can change the text height, you can change the text here from Arial to any other text mode here. So you can simply go to this text here, you can just go to this 3D model, select on this 3 dot, and you can write here library. You can see now it is changed to 3D model library, and again you can just select this, and you can go to this horizontal alignment. This one is from left. If you want horizontal alignment to center, you can select center, you can select right also. So I'm going to select left, and you can see this material and finishes. So material, it is not applied here, so you can select by category here and click onto these 3 dots. You can apply any material here. So suppose I am going to create a new material here, and I am going to set browser, and I am going to apply neon, just to make you understand. I'm going to, so there is no any item, so better apply any metal here. So suppose I'm going to apply a metallic paint here. So I am going to apply red metallic paint here. I'm going to click apply, OK, and you can see this metallic paint is applied here. So you can again select this, and you can change this depth in a material browser here in the properties, not the material browser. You can change the depth of this text in properties. So I'm going to make this 2 inches here, the depth of the text. I'm going to click apply, and you can see this depth is reduced from 6 inches to 2 inches. So you can accordingly you can revise your depth here. So now you can go to edit type, and you can do further more settings. So it is better always create a duplicate here if you want to make any changes in your edit type. So I'm going to click OK, and you can change the text size here. So this is 2 feet, so you can make it 1 feet here if you want, and you can click apply and click OK, and you can see this text height is reduced. This is 1 feet text. So likewise, based on your design, you can change the text size. And text font, this is Arial, you can change to any other font here. So there are a lot of font here, you can change to any one you want. So this font is changed here. So you can simply change this font to any other font also. You can make bold here. If you want to apply bold font, it will be turned to bold font here, and if you want to apply italic, it will be changed to italic form. So you can see this is in italic form. So you can do more settings here. So this is the text here. So you can create text, 3D text like this in your designs. So next, this is model line. So if you look at the definition of model line, it creates a line that exists in 3D space and it is visible in all views of a project, and you can use this model line to represent 3D geometry. So model line, this will be visible in all 4 views. So suppose I'm going to create in level 1 a model line here. So this will be in a green line here. So suppose I'm going to draw a inscribed polygon here. So this is my this model line, and if you look at the line style, this one is in the line. There are some more line style here. So medium lines, overhead, path of travel line, thin line, wide line. So I'm going to default a line here. So if you go to your 3D views, you can see this is visible in 3D view also, and you can view it in level 2 also. You can view in side plan also. So in elevation also you can view this. So this is handy if you want to represent any marking into your design. You can use this model line, and we will discuss later in advanced Revit how to use this model line. So there is one more line in Revit, that is a detail line. So detail line, it is visible in a specific view only. You cannot view like a model line in all views. So model line you can view in all the views like level 1, level 2 and 3D views, but model line will be visible in any specific view. So suppose I'm at level 1 and I'm going to select a detail line, and I'm going to create a scribed polygon here, and this is my model line in level 1. But if you view in 3D view, you will be not able to view the detail line, but model line will be visible in all the floor plans, ceiling plans, 3D views, but you cannot see detail model line. It will be visible in level 1 only. So detail line is visible in a specific view where you want to create this detail line, but model line, it will be visible in all views. So this is the difference between a model line and a detail line. So next you can go to your model group here. So if you want to create a CAD blocks, this model group is somewhat similar to CAD blocks. So it creates or places a defined group of elements in a current view. So suppose I am going to open any plan here. So we will wait. I'm going to show you an example here. So this is my plan here. So I'm going to hidden line, and if I want to create a group of this basin and this WC, you can go to this model group and you can create a group. Select this one, create a group, or shortcut command is GP. So suppose I am going to select onto this WC and I'm going to select on this wash basins, and I'm going to create a group here. So I'm going to select on this, create a group, and I'm going to rename this as a sanitary, and I am going to click OK. And now you can see this group is created here. This one is one group, and you can also ungroup this, and you can create a link, and you can also edit group. So if you go to select this edit group, you can add or remove any item. So if I want to add one more item, I'm going to select this bed also, and I'm going to finish this. So this all three will be in a one group. And if you want to again remove any item here, so suppose I want to remove this bed, can again go and finish this. So this bed will be removed, but this will be in a one group. So this is the advantage of this add and remove. And you can finish this, and you can also cancel this, and you can attach a detail group to a model group. So you can attach a detail group to a model group also. So likewise you can use this. And if you go to this architecture here, and you can again load as a group into open project, and I'm going to select this one, and you can go to project 2 and you can click OK, and this link is open 10 MB, create OK, click OK. And now we'll wait here. So now you can see this is my another project open here, and now I'm going to again select this model group, and I'm going to use this place model group. So you can see here this model group will be placed here. So you can see these all are in a model group here, and this is placed in a this here, this open project here. So I'm going to Control Z, and I'm going to my level 2 here, this project here, and I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to again copy it to the clipboard, to use Control V to paste my this model group in another project. So you can finish this. So this model group is placed in another project. So likewise you can use this model group. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in Revit. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.